Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing stabilized whipped cream. I've had a lot of requests to make this video, and I know there are a lot of ways to make whipped cream. This is just how I do it. Let's get started. And these are the items that I will be using today. I've got some heavy cream. I will be using 2 cups of that, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half cup of powdered sugar, and about 3 tablespoons of vanilla pudding that I am using. And you can use any flavor you want, but today I'm using vanilla. So you want to make sure that your mixing bowl and your whisk is nice and cold to make the whipped cream. And I am just putting everything into my mixing bowl. And now I'm just going to put this on high. And it's not going to take that long, maybe just a couple minutes. You want to make sure you do not over whip your whipped cream as well also, because it could get lumpy. You can see it's starting to form its shape. Let me just show you what it looks like. As you can see, it's nice and thick. And this is what I am looking for in my whipped cream. It's nice and thick. Okay, so let's pipe some cupcakes here so I can just show you the height of my whipped cream. Just in a regular piping bag, I have a Wilton 6B tip. I'm filling it in with my whipped cream that we just freshly made. Starting from the bottom and just working my way up for a swirl. Now, as you can see, it's nice and light and fluffy, and it still has some definition in it. And there you have it, you guys. This is my version of stabilized whipped cream. It's super easy, super simple. Hopefully you guys give it a try if you guys haven't already. Again, there are a lot of versions out there, but I've been using this one for the last couple of years. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you all in my next video.